Welcome to Olympian Cares, giving you the best in water testing and analysis. Today we're looking at green facts. What are the effects of arsenic on laboratory animals? So simply put, the effects on laboratory animals and in vitro systems, both inorganic and organic forms of arsenic, may cause adverse effects in laboratory animals. The effects induced by arsenic range from acute lethality to chronic effects such as cancer. The degree of toxicity of arsenic is basically dependent on the form, whether it's organic or inorganic, and the oxidation state of the arsenical. It is generally considered that inorganic arsenicals are more toxic than organic arsenicals. Now, there's different way that arsenic gets into the environment. It could be organic from soil, from rocks, from runoff, or it could be from industrial activities such as mining, such as burning certain chemicals or burning certain substances, and the inorganic is much more harmful. Within these two classes, the trivalent forms are more toxic than the pentavalent forms, at least at high doses. Several different organ systems are affected by arsenic, including skin, respiratory, cardiovascular, immune, genitory, reproductive, gastrointestinal, nervous systems. Several animal carcinogenity studies on arsenic have been carried out, but limitations such as high dose levels, limited time of exposure, and the limited number of animals make these inconclusive. However, a recent reported animal model may be useful for future carcinogenity studies. In that study, female mice exposed to arsenic in the drinking water contained 500 liter over 2 years was associated with increased incidence in tumors involving mainly lung, liver, gastrointestinal tract, and skin. Inorganic arsenic does not induce point mutations. However, arsenic can produce chromosomal abbreviations in vitro, affect methylation and the repair of DNA, induce cell proliferation, transform cells, and promote tumors. We've talked a lot in this channel about how arsenic can cause a lot of problems, and that does include various cancers, so it's something to look out for. One study has indicated that DMA may cause cancer of the urinary bladder in male rats at high doses. So there is a chance that high levels of arsenic, this heavy metal, and other problems can cause cancer. So as we can see, the effects on laboratory animals and in vitro systems are quite devastating. Now, inorganic is definitely more harmful than organic, but it can still cause problems. Now, two of the ways arsenic gets into the environment are organically, like normally through soil, rocks, everything else, or through industrial means. And then it can get into the air, which can be inhaled, or it can get into the water system. And the dangerous part about the water system is you can't feel it, you can't taste it, you can't see it, you can't smell it, and neither can the animals. So if you want to protect animals, it's a good idea to periodically test your water for any levels of arsenic.